This is Gracie's first river run in a kayak.
Five babies and an adult went for a run, and he clubbed the other one. Oh, my dad called me with a big stuffy.
Hey, there you are. Look at that boat.
So what's the course here? You gotta explain it to me. Okay, go show me.